As a Microstock contributor, you need to have a plan.
Coffee. You see, weather is very important. Right now in Europe, it's getting better with rain and stuff, but now it seems to clear up.
As a Microstock contributor, you need to be patient.
So I waited for that a little bit.
Gelijk op de radio.
As a Microstock contributor, you need to be able to adjust.
Let op, slecht wegdek.
Right, the plan is... Let's have a look at my bestsellers. Data center, 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 data center. I'm heading towards Frankfurt am Main, where there are lots of, you guessed it,
Je moet gewoon kijken hoe de baas het doet, hè?
So we are at Frankfurt now. There you see the nice little data center. Nice hills, nice weather. Capture some footage.
As a Microstock contributor, you need to be persistent. So while it was already getting a bit late and I still had to find a place to sleep, I took advantage of the beautiful sunset and carried on to another data center. Look at that beautiful light. As a Microstock contributor, it's important to be at the right place on the right time, to have optimal filming conditions. Think of light, weather, etc. in order to get the best shot.
Okay, well, that was a wrap. Data centers. Now it's time to look for an hotel. Grab my phone and I just go to booking.com. Close to my current location. Wow, only 35 euros this one. That's pretty cheap, right? Include breakfast or parking. So easy as that. Let's see the results. So this is my hotel.
This was perfect for one night, breakfast included. As a Microstock contributor, you need to be diverse. While the sun was setting, I had an idea. Let's combine three things. Number one, beautiful skyline of Frankfurt. 2, my Sony a6700 including my new zoom lens. And 3, and this cool form of transportation I saw in front of my hotel. As a Microstock contributor, it's good to have two hands on the steering wheel. And there I was, driving the city center of Frankfurt on a nice summer evening, surrounded by this huge building. The city is beautiful. I love my job as a Microstock contributor. So I grabbed my camera and explored the city. Everywhere around me there were logos of major companies. This time I focused on editorial photos. I saw and photographed car brands, banks, insurance companies, government institutions, transportation companies, office buildings, conference hall, law firms and more. I also took this picture of the moon and ate this pizza. That was day one. Bye bye.